Afternoon. Hit that like button. Show some love. You understand? Dreycosting. Alright. Serious stuff. A gem is gonna drop right now. So I need you all to pay attention, right? Serious gems. Alright. So remember I told you that I was gonna trade today, right? So because today was the GDP, then we had the CPI, and as I was showing you guys, that is why I came out of the trading yesterday. Remember the price is going now option, and I said, yo, I'm gonna take profits, right? I'm gonna take profits. We caught it from here, right? And so I'm gonna take profit. It went for 100. I came out roughly about 60 pips, right? And I said that I'm gonna take profits. I don't want anything to do with GBP and CPI and all of that, right? And I know this from experience. Those type of news kill runners, alright? So pretty the vibes now. If you look here up on what I said yesterday, is that we want price to come here, right? From a higher low and push up. Yeah? But I want you to listen carefully now. Listen carefully. Alright? Remember now, every time I said to you that whenever price retrace, we want price to form support with bottom with rejection. With bottom with rejection. Right? So the candles should have that long wick at the bottom, body at the top. Long wick at the bottom, right? Body at the top to show that sellers are exhausted and buyers are gaining control. If you don't understand this concept, guys, because what I'm doing with this daily analysis is a little bit more advanced, you need to ensure that you go through 2 playlists on my YouTube channel, and that's Forex for beginners and Japanese candlesticks. You need to go through that, right? To keep up with me on these daily analysis. Alright, so let me explain to you what happened here. Even if I saw this, I would never take this trade. I'm gonna explain to you why I would take this trade, alright? Follow me now, look here. This is, let's find pre-London at 1 a.m. Thursday. This is pre-London, right? So come up pre-London, right? Or between 12 and 2, come up pre-London. Price was at a higher high, right? This higher high, this is the higher low, shift retest higher high. So I would not take this trade because we're in an option. So I would have to wait for price to come to form the higher low, like what we did here. So I would wait for pre-New York. So let's go to pre-New York, right? And see what happened. At pre-New York now, we have the 730, the CPI that pushed it all the way down here. So that's CPI. The red candle closure with wick at the bottom, right? But however, with the green candle closure, right? The wick is at the top. You follow me? The wick is at the top. And then now if I want to enter, right? I would have to enter with this green candle with wick at the bottom. So this wick at the top shows that buyers are not in control and the sellers are in control. So you have to be very careful. Let's take this one, right? Where I call the entry, right? Let's pay attention. Notice that when I took this buy here, notice that the wick is at the bottom. See that the wick is at the bottom. You see this wick right here? See that wick right here showing that buyers are in control and sellers are getting exhausted. I need to take it entry on this candle, right? I look at this green candle and say, okay, nice. Then I saw this one, nice. And I said, okay, I took the entry here, right? After sellers are exhausted, this is what you call sellers exhaustion. Therefore, buyers are now coming in control, right? So you have to know how to read candlesticks. If you don't, please go through my candlestick series, right? So now you understand why I didn't take this. Now let's look at what's probable for tomorrow morning. Let's look at market structure. Price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher low right here. However, price broke the previous low. it broke the previous low, right? It broke the previous low. You follow me? It broke the previous low. It also broke this low somewhat, but it's some form of support back here, right? So you have to be very mindful and careful now. So it broke the previous low, right? So follow me now and listen now. What we have to do, the fact that it broke this low, right? We have to be very careful because this could be just a reaction from the news and then created like some form of a double bottom right here, bomb like this, right? And then can continue back over the trend, right? Because the news just push it out the trend and it can continue back over the trend, but we're outside of the trend. So this could be a possible transition. So let's pay attention. The first action that we want to see, right, is this. Price to shift, retest now, create a lower high, meaning that the previous low looking for transition, want to create a lower high, confirm the basic or trading for a downtrend, continue down. However, when you come to this lower high right here, when you come to this resistance right here now, you must wait on resistance to form. You want red candle closure, correction, green candle closure, right? Because we're going up in bullish. So one green candle closure with at the top. So this is the invert now, right? So when you're looking for buyers, you want to see at the bottom to show that buyers are gaining control. When you want to look for resistance to continue down, you want to see the wick at the top to show that sellers are in control. So one green candle closure, right? Then red candle closure, engulfing the green candle with wick at the top. Then you take your entry on the next red candle to continue down, right? However, understand now, however, if you don't get that form of action creating resistance, you have to be mindful that this uptrend might still continue. So what confirmation should you wait on, right? Because you know the previous low now, so you have to wait on proper confirmation to know that the trend is still valid. So what you'd have to do is that you'd have to wait on a shift, break this level back right here, shift, create a higher high right here, retest, create a higher low, confirm the basic of trading for uptrend, and then you look to continue back over the trend line back over here. And when it retests here, you need to see it form support. This is not support. It needs to form support. We got the bottom. You follow me? So that's the second action. But for now, let's just work with the market structure that is directly in front of our face, and that is that the previous low has been broken. So going in tomorrow, our first option is to look shift, retest, lower high, wait for resistance to form, continue down for a downtrend, right? So that is what we're looking for, right? That's the action that we're looking for, right? To see, right? So let me show you. So this now is a lower low, right? And you know that we enter on a downtrend on the lower high. So on an uptrend, we enter on the higher low, right? On an uptrend, we enter on the higher lows, right? On a downtrend, we enter on the lower high. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. If you really learn a lot from this, just drop some fire, hit the like button, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.